honestly, y'all, I don't know if I'm gonna get it all done today. He takes my hand and puts it on the handle. It's alright. It's okay. It's okay. We're getting ready to go in just a minute, okay? Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the Gentile household. Today, I am doing a getting it all done video. This is my first time doing that just because it is one of those days where I literally have got to get it all done. It's very gray and gloomy outside. Things have just gotten piled up over the last few days. I've got to play catch up. So we've got laundry, cleaning, meal planning, grocery prep. So I'm actually gonna gather up the kids and take them to my parents' house just for a little while so I can get some things done today. We've been in the car for like 20 minutes and she's already fallen asleep. Where's Grandma Pops? So I originally wasn't planning on getting any shots in the store, but I happened across some of the cutest fall things, like this door hanger, the hello with the black and white striped bow. I wanted that one so bad. It was like $15, but it wasn't in the budget, sadly, so I passed it up. But they had some of the cutest fall decor. Oh my goodness. There's this picture down here. Autumn leaves and pumpkins, please. Oh, it's so cute. I wanted that one too, but maybe next time. They had the cutest fall stuff. And so I just wanted to show some of these cute things I was seeing with y'all. Hooked on you, baby, you're golden. Time moves, I never noticed, just can't get enough. Got me wonderstruck. So unloaded all the groceries, or not all the groceries, but I got all the groceries in the house, and I put all the cold stuff in the fridge, and now I'm on my way back to go pick up the kids. And honestly, y'all, I don't know if I'm gonna get it all done today. I'm gonna try my best, but I got a really late start today, and it might take me all evening, so just gotta keep on keeping on, right? I think I'm hooked on you, baby, you're golden. Time moves, I never noticed, just can't get enough. Got me wonderstruck. I knew the second I met you, I was doomed to never forget you. Just one single touch got me wonderstruck. Alright, so as you just saw, we've got a load of laundry going in the laundry room. I was able to straighten up just a little bit. I'm going to be doing a lot of cleaning and tidying while I'm fixing dinner. So I'm going to take this time to chit chat with you guys and just share something with you that my new goal is to get a video up every Friday. I can't commit to a time just yet. It could be in the morning or afternoon, but Fridays are going to be my video upload day. I'm so excited about this because since I have started this YouTube journey, sadly, I've never been able to commit to a schedule. I've always wanted to. It just never worked out. So now that the kids are a little bit older, I feel like I'm at a place where that is my goal. I'm going to make it happen, and y'all have that to look forward to every week. So let me know what you think about that. I just have to say, to all those other YouTube moms that are out there that post videos like 3 a week, I think they are like super women. I don't know how they do it. It's challenging enough just doing everyday things, but filming yourself and doing things and planning and editing and uploading and all those things take so much time. And like you'll see here in just a minute, I'm showing the realness of moving the camera while I'm filming, because if you make videos, that's something, I mean, even though I'm just filming me doing everyday things, I'm constantly having to think about different angles and moving the camera. Is the camera recording? Like all those things. It's definitely not as simple as one may think. So I just wanted to say kudos to all those super mamas out there, and you're amazing. Keep it up. I'm going to try my best as well. But yeah, let me know what you think. If Fridays work good for you, I would love to hear.
I tend to give them way too much credit. Guess I'm a little too empathetic. Don't need to waste my time trying to prove I'm enough for you. I just happen to make it a habit. I was just fine before.
So as you've probably already figured out, we are doing the most simple and probably the cheapest dinner that you can possibly make: spaghetti and meatballs. You can't go wrong with that. I already had the stuff to make it before I went shopping, so I just decided to go ahead and do that tonight. So that's what we're having for dinner.
Distracted. Guess all this time you were just acting. Rehearsed your lines before you left intentions at the door. Go ahead, accuse me of overreacting. I was just fine before I met ya. Don't think that I was counting seconds. Better be worth my time. Better be committed, cause baby I'm fine. Hopping around, hit the excuses. Read all the lines, yeah, I see through it. Better be worth my time. Better be committed, cause baby I'm fine. I'm VIP. Gonna take a lot to get to me. I'm fine. RSVP. Don't need to up my energy. Doing alright, living a daydream. No, I don't need you to wait me. Better not waste my time. Better be committed, cause baby I'm fine. Baby I'm fine. I'll be alright with or without you. Don't waste my time. Feeding me lies, I know you're about to. I don't need to wait.
So with our spaghetti tonight, I'm using these pre-cooked Italian style meatballs that I get at Aldi. I always like to keep these on hand and just keep them in the freezer. Super easy, and they're pretty good.
RSVP, don't interrupt my energy. Doing alright, living a daydream. No, I don't need you to wait me. Better not waste my time. Better be committed, cause baby I'm fine. You know I'm fine.
So after dinner was the tedious routine of getting both the kids down for bed. And honestly, we were just all so excited. I mean, not excited, exhausted. I usually have Reese help me straighten up the living room a little bit, but everyone was just so tired that we just had to go ahead and get them to bed. And so I just went ahead and took some quiet time to get the living room all tidied up. I don't know how it happens, but sometimes all their toys just accumulate all to the center in the middle in a big pile in the living room. So hopefully that won't be the case too much anymore. We're getting ready to do a huge purge and just get rid of a bunch of stuff before Christmas. Well, as this video is quickly coming to a close, I just wanted to thank you so much for all your continued love and support. And if you are new, don't forget to subscribe. I'd love for you to join my YouTube family and join me on this crazy roller coaster of a YouTube journey. We're just having fun along the way, and I hope that maybe you got some inspiration or motivation, or just realize that, you know what, it's not always what it seems. We're just regular, ordinary mamas with burritos at the base of our fireplace. I had to put that there so that way the kids wouldn't get hurt. But anyways, love you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next video.